Today, we're diving into the best small slide-out campers you've never seen before. And trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. From a camper that triples in size to one that's a self-proclaimed hotel on wheels, these are the most insane and innovative campers on the planet. And for number one, oh, you'll just have to see it to believe it. Let's go! Compact in size but massive in capability, the Epik Scout Camper trailer is an adventurer's dream on wheels. Designed by Adventure Series RV, this 12-foot camper is built on a welded steel frame with 33-inch all-terrain tires and Timbren independent off-road suspension. It's ready to tackle any trail. Its zero-wood construction, featuring fiberglass and Azdell composite walls, ensures water resistance and long-term sturdiness without compromising its lightweight profile. The Scout's highlights include a versatile 75-liter dual-zone fridge freezer, a slide-out kitchen with a high-performance cook partner stove, and a 270-degree OVS awning that shelters your outdoor workspace. Equipped with Baja perimeter lights, a swing-away spare tire, and an articulating hitch, it's built for practicality and safety. Inside, the camper features a cozy pop-top with sleeping options for the whole family, soft and latching aluminum storage, and a 30-gallon freshwater tank heated by a dedicated furnace, while a 1,000-watt inverter, a 100-watt solar panel, expandable to 200 watts, and Renogy lithium batteries cover the off-grid energy needs. Prices start at $36,000 for the base model. Mobi Nomad Continental. This bad boy here boldly claims to be a hotel on wheels. And well, when you look at what it's got, it truly doesn't disappoint. From its compact, road-ready size to its ingenious slide-out design that nearly doubles its interior space, this South African marvel offers more luxury and utility than meets the eye. Step inside and you'll find a huge curved bathroom. Isn't she beautiful? Panoramic windows framing the cozy living and sleeping areas, and a cleverly designed external kitchen where every pot, pan, and cup has its place. Despite its lightweight frame, thanks to a hand-laid fiberglass shell and galvanized steel chassis, it packs in features like a 600-watt solar system, a robust 400-amp-hour battery, and a 2,200-watt inverter for true off-grid independence. Built for rugged adventures, its leaf spring suspension and German-engineered brakes ensure it's as reliable off-road as it is smooth on the highway. The Nomad's thoughtful design even includes a work desk for digital nomads, proving this isn't just a camper, it's a lifestyle hub. Now, with a price tag of $89,500, it is quite the hole in your wallet. But in our opinion, it competes favorably with larger caravans while being far easier to tow and store. Beauer X3. Imagine a camper trailer that transforms from a compact 6.4-foot wide pod to a sprawling 130-square-foot retreat at the push of a button. Yup, these things actually exist. Meet the Beauer 3X, a marvel of French engineering that redefines travel for space-conscious adventurers. Designed to expand to nearly triple its towing width, this camper offers the perfect blend of design and innovation. Its clever slide-out mechanism not only creates a flat floor, but also accommodates a fully equipped interior, with beds, tables, and even a bathroom tucked neatly into its 43-square-foot compact mode. Built with an aluminum frame and a thick polyester insulated shell, the Beauer 3X weighs under 2,200 pounds, making it light enough for hybrid and electric vehicles to tow. Once expanded, it comfortably houses up to 4 people, featuring cozy sleeping areas, a functional kitchen, and ample storage. The 3X's minimalist footprint makes it ideal for tight storage spaces, while its extended mode transforms campsites into luxury escapes. This camper is not just about space, it's about smart, sustainable travel. Its solar panel and auxiliary battery cater to off-grid explorers, while its clever design ensures maximum usability. For those seeking something totally unique, the Beauer 3X is a small camper with a big personality. Flagstaff ePro E15 FBS. At first glance, the 2024 ePro E15 FBS might seem modest, but this compact camper is what we call affordable luxury. Touted as the smallest camper with a slide-out, it's designed for couples that demand both mobility and comfort. The kitchen built on the slide-out features a 3-burner gas stove, a convection microwave, and a 12-volt refrigerator freezer, proving that good things truly come in small packages. The bathroom, though compact, surprises with a porcelain foot-flush toilet, a vanity with ample counter space, and a shower tub combo illuminated by a skylight. By night, the Murphy bed transforms the front living area into a cozy sleeping space with secret cup holders and reclining seating, adding a playful twist. Outside, the camper boasts a solar-equipped roof, an underlit awning, an outdoor shower, and a side griddle setup for some grilling in the sun. Its aluminum frame and vacuum-bonded construction ensure durability without the bulk, making it easy to tow. Weighing in at just 3,400 pounds with a 1,100-pound cargo capacity, the E15 FBS is perfect for adventurers who want big amenities in a small footprint. With features like a MaxxAir vent fan, heated holding tanks, and an included ladder for rooftop access, this tiny Titan is ready for off-grid exploration. Now, on the topic of affordable luxury, here's another option for you. Coleman Legacy 1905 RB. Who says glamping has to break the bank? The 2025 Coleman Legacy 1905 RB redefines affordable luxury with features like a massive 50-inch TV and a sleek, spacious interior that feels more like a high-end apartment than a travel trailer. This 24-foot marvel boasts a king-size bed with mirrored wardrobes, underbed storage, and USB-equipped nightstands, making it a haven for couples on the go. The kitchen dazzles with solid surface countertops, an undermount stainless steel sink, a recessed 3-burner cooktop, and a convection microwave oven, all paired with an unheard-of 16 cubic foot refrigerator, a feature usually reserved for fifth wheels. Across the way, theater seating with cup holders and hidden storage faces the oversized TV, creating a perfect setup for binge watching under LED accented lighting. Step into the rear bath and you'll find a class-leading shower with a skylight, an extended porcelain toilet with a soft close lid, and an oversized mirrored medicine cabinet. Outside, the Legacy shines with powered stabilizer jacks, solar prep, an insulated underbelly, and a 16-foot LED-lit awning. At about 5,000 pounds dry, with unbeatable construction and style, the Legacy 1905 RB delivers upscale glamping at a price that feels like a steal. Picture this: a sleek, compact RV that can sleep up to 8 people and is perfect for family adventures without needing to upgrade your family vehicle. Meet the Forest River Wolf Pup 17 JWBL, an under 24-foot camper capable of all that and more. Weighing a manageable 4,300 pounds dry, this Black Label edition combines practicality with premium features. Inside, double-over-double bunks promise cozy rest, while a queen-sized bed anchors the primary sleeping area. The U-shaped dinette doubles as extra sleeping space and storage galore, so basically there's lots of room to sleep. The kitchen boasts a stainless steel sink, a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, and a 2-burner cooktop, plus an outdoor pup kitchen for some outdoor grilling. The bathroom shines with a tankless water heater, body sprayers, and a spacious shower tub surround, making cleanup a breeze. Outside, the fiberglass exterior is complemented by off-road tires, a power tongue jack, and a solar panel setup with a charge controller. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or campground comforts, this RV delivers. From its high-tech touches like USB-C charging ports to its family-friendly design, the Wolf Pup 17JW isn't just a camper. It could be your next great escape at about $24,990 for the base model. Now, before we check out what you all have been waiting for, if you're enjoying the video so far, I'd highly appreciate a like. Thanks. Meet the Raptor XC, the teardrop trailer that thinks it's a caravan. This rugged off-road marvel from Turkish innovator Hunter Nature Caravan is a game-changer for compact camping, featuring an ingenious rear slide-out extension that transforms its modest 15.7-foot frame into a 22.6-foot adventure hub. Built for all-terrain expeditions, the Raptor XC boasts a steel chassis, independent suspension, and BF Goodrich tires, making it as tough as the trails it conquers. Inside, it offers an impressive array of amenities: a private slide-out master bedroom with panoramic skylights, and an L-shaped dining lounge that converts into a single bed. The massive front kitchen comes equipped with a dual-burner stove, sink, and 75-liter fridge. Even more surprising is that it crams in a wet bath with a toilet, sink, and shower, something you don't really see in teardrop designs. Power systems could have been a little better. Instead of a 120 amp hour battery and a 160 watts of solar, this may limit your high-power appliances. But there is enough water thanks to a 120-liter freshwater tank. There's also a Truma Combi heater for your preferred water temperature. So, whether it's navigating rocky trails or creating a cozy haven in remote wilderness, the Raptor XC blends hardcore durability with thoughtful luxury. At $39,000, it's an investment in exploration, delivering unparalleled freedom for adventure-loving families. And that's all for today, campers. We've explored some incredible small slide-out campers, hopefully showcasing some you haven't seen before. But hey, my grandma always said, slide-outs aren't for everyone. So if you're more of a pop-up kind of camper, be sure to check out our video on the best small pop-up campers you can buy. Don't forget to subscribe.